Welcome back. We're going to be talking about 3D primitives in Inventor Fusion. If you're familiar with AutoCAD or Autodesk Inventor 2013 and later versions, you'll already be familiar with the concept of primitives. These are essentially prepared solids in standard shapes: the box, the sphere, the cylinder, and the torus. Let's try the box primitive first. Next, we need to specify the plane and the first corner. I'll snap it to the origin point. Let's make this dimension 50. Press Enter to accept. By 60 millimeters. Enter. Now we need to specify the position of the second corner. Let's enter a distance value of 40 millimeters. Press Enter. Now let's create a taper angle. 5 degrees. Tab. Or we can enter a negative value, maybe -5 degrees. Tab. And click OK. Let's take a look at the second primitive, cylinder. First thing to do is specify the center of the circle. Next, the radius. I've got an input field, 40 millimeters. Left click to accept. From the limit section, let's select 2, and now we specify to what, this face. Under Boolean operations, I'm going to select join, and click OK. The next primitive I've got is a sphere. Let's wake up the center of my circle on the cylinder. And let's make our dimension 30 millimeters. Press Enter. Let's cut it and click OK. The last primitive is the torus. This is basically a donut. First job is to specify the radius of the inner circle. Next is the size of the torus. Using these arrows, I can still adjust both the radius and the size right in the graphic area. Let's select Join. For Boolean operation, join is what I want. Let's click OK. And this concludes our tutorial about using 3D primitives in Inventor Fusion.